Hello all, welcome to Bona Dea Fashions. In today's video, we are going through an elegant collection of organza tissue sarees. All these sets are coming in very pleasant dusty color charts, and Lucknowi Chickenkari work is running throughout the body with tissue putty borders on double side. And all these sets are coming with 3D tissue line blouse and tassel attached pallu. These beautiful collections are priced at Rs 1345 along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states, the shipping charges be from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, take a screenshot and DM to the given WhatsApp number. Kindly avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. Also, please note our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. And if you guys wanted our quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there given in the description. Hope you guys like this beautiful collection. If you like our video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.